What is up, guys? So as I mentioned last time, today the GTI, the plan was to get it on the road. I got a bunch of stuff done, but it was kind of a fail. So then I started off here, got the engine bay all cleaned up. I degreased it and it turned out really nice. Really happy with how so it was repainted, but they didn't do inside all here. But that actually, and like on the firewall there, actually looks really nice. So super happy with that. I put a new fuel filter in today. I also drained all the fuel out and put fresh 93 in there, so I should be set for a little while. Charge the battery up. As you guys saw, I was gonna put the new alternator on, so I got a used alternator. It didn't have the pulley on it, which is super simple. Had a quick glimpse there of how to replace that. The biggest thing is just gotta make sure that you don't lose the key. That's what keeps everything straight there and holds it together. So I went and put that on there, and the bracket was slightly different. It was about a ½ inch off. So I actually just sent the alternator away, and they're just going to rebuild it. That way I'm not messing with this. I know there are actually different size alternators for these, so rather than messing with that, I'm just going to pay the money, get it rebuilt, and that way we can get it on the road. So hey, that being said, it kind of sucks that I couldn't actually drive the car today, but hey, I know we're getting close. The car needs a lot, but I'm very happy with that, how we're at right now. Just a little update where we're at on the rest of the car. As you guys saw when I was in Colorado, I went over a lot of the interior. I put a new dash in there, went over the seats, which turned out really nice. If you watch the videos, I had like 6 seats, which I took. These are all different cushions here. You can take them apart. So I mix match, put them together. This seat, that's the only spot. Everything else turned out really nice. So that's awesome. Yeah, I mentioned the dash. The carpet, I had that out. I put insulation down underneath, pressure washed that all. So it needs put back together nice, tidied up a little bit, but overall really sweet. Big thing here is no headliner, which I actually have a headliner board in the garage, so that just needs wrapped. Get the covers here. There's also supposed to be a trim piece right there I need to get, but biggest thing in here is that when I put this headliner up, so you can see here, this is actually loose. So I need to figure out if you guys have any good ideas for how to get that fastened. That needs to be really strong, so not exactly sure what I'm going to use yet or how I'm going to put that on there. The trunk, if you guys remember, I had painted all that, which it got really dirty from sitting. I'm looking for trunk carpet, so we're going to see. As you can see right here, I still have a ton of parts to put on. So I have other taillights to replace these because they have some cracks. So just a lot of little stuff like that. I have all like the weather stripping and stuff. I want to replace a lot of that. So yeah, a lot of exciting stuff coming up on the car. You can see the badge. I'm going to put new bumpers on. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff going on. Another big thing is suspension. This is totally stock here, and it's way too high. I do actually have some lowering springs right here. So I'm trying to decide, do I take the time to put the lowering springs on or just put racelins on it right away? Because I don't know. You can see how loose this suspension is, so I don't even know if it's worth messing with the suspension or starting over. So we'll see. Another big thing here, I want to get the factory stripes back on the car. I love how that sets the GTI apart. So yeah, there's a lot of random stuff there, but I'm just super excited. So we are this close to driving the car. The alignment is very screwed up, so that's the first thing. I want to get it on the road, get a line, and then we're going to worry about the suspension and getting the rest of it tied up. So we're going to see here real quick, make sure it still starts. I had the battery charging, so even though it doesn't have an alternator on it, should be fine. We'll try out the fresh gas here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It stutters a little bit there. So yeah, I think once we put some miles on, it's gonna be sweet. I cannot wait. Tonight here, it's just really dirty from sitting, so I'm just gonna wash it, clean this interior real good. That way, next video, hopefully, I can't talk too much because who knows what we're gonna run into it. Next video, we're gonna drive it, so we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. That way I can drive it shiny and clean. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Got some big plans, as I mentioned, coming up. Cannot wait to show them, so keep watching. Peace.